Mr. John, how you doing?
I'm doing very well, Jorge.
What do you think about the potting green better than real artificial grass do for you?
You know, I'll tell you, the putting green looks great, works real well. Better Than Artificial Grass is a great company. Jorge is a great owner, and his crew is very efficient. They had the green in 2 days.
Why you select better than real artificial grass?
Well, I got my first recommendation from my son-in-law. Jorge put in a nice artificial grass in his backyard to get rid of the mud. Now it looks really great. And I talked to Jorge, I got a couple bids. His bid was reasonable, and his recommendation from my son-in-law made it easy to choose.
That's nice. If you had to do another job, you can do it again with Better Than Real, or you hire somebody else?
I think I'd use Better Than Real, artificial grass.
Give me 2 reasons.
One is the company's very good. Jorge explains everything. He's a great owner. And the team that came here was very efficient. They were clean. We left everything looking very well.
Mr. John, thank you very much for your business, and we're going to support you, I can say forever.
Thank you very much. I'll look forward to working with you in the future.
Thank you very much, Mr. John.